In this video, we'll break down real estate investing as to a newbie. You'll know the benefits of investing in real estate, how to start investing in real estate with $100 or less, and just for the benefit of our audience, we've compiled a list of reliable companies in some countries where you can begin investing in real estate. Make sure to watch this entire video to get all the juicy information we have loaded for you in here. Like this video and subscribe to this channel now. It's time to get some manure for growth. Real estates, as we all know, are properties that cannot easily be moved. They are usually buildings and the ground they are built on. What is real estate investing? Real estate investment refers to the purchase, ownership, management, rental, and/or sale of real estate property to generate income or capital appreciation. There are various types of real estate investments, including residential properties, commercial properties, and industrial properties. Real estate investing carries various risks, such as fluctuations in property values, changes in market conditions, and potential for vacancies. It's important to thoroughly research and understand the market, property, and any potential risks before making an investment decision. The potential returns of real estate investing can come from rental income, capital appreciation, and tax benefits. Real estate investments can be financed through a variety of methods, including cash, mortgages, and home equity loans. It's important to understand the terms and conditions of any financing and the impact it may have on the investment. There are many benefits of investing in real estate compared to other forms of investments. Some of these are potential for steady income. Real estate investments can provide regular rental income and potential for appreciation. Tangible asset. Real estate is a tangible asset and provides a physical investment. Diversification. Real estate investments can help diversify a portfolio and reduce overall investment risk. Potential for leverage. Real estate investments often offer the opportunity to use leverage and increase returns. Inflation hedge. Real estate can potentially serve as an inflation hedge as rental income and property values can increase with inflation. Having said all that, it is important to note that thorough due diligence is crucial in real estate investing, including researching the local real estate market, property conditions, and potential rental income and expenses. Additionally, it's important to understand any laws and regulations that may impact the investment. Now, to the part that should interest a beginner in real estate investment. If you watched to this point, congratulations, because we're about to get into the exciting details of how you can start your real estate investment journey. Hit that like button, subscribe to this channel now, and remember to ring the notification bell so you will be notified of future videos we'll upload. How can you start investing in real estate with the little funds you have now? Traditionally, investing in real estate requires huge funds. If you're buying an entire building or property, you'll need large funding, and it involves a lot of paperwork. But investing in units, semi-units, or even blocks of property alongside other investors, under the guidance and management of real estate professionals, is much easier and cheaper. As a beginner, you can start investing in real estate with as little as $100 or in some companies, less. Here are some tips for getting started in real estate investing with $100 or less. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Invest in publicly traded REITs to get exposure to a portfolio of properties. Crowdfunding platforms. Invest in real estate projects through crowdfunding platforms and pool your money with others. Through research and network. By researching your local real estate market and networking with local real estate agents and investors, you'll be able to identify potential deals. Let's dive deeper into these forms of real estate investing. A real estate investment trust, REIT, is a type of investment vehicle that invests in income-generating real estate properties such as apartments, hotels, office buildings, shopping centers, etc. REITs allow individual investors to pool their money to purchase, manage, and own properties, thereby providing access to professionally managed real estate investments. REITs have the following characteristics. Must distribute at least 90% of taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. are required to have a diversified portfolio of properties, are publicly traded on stock exchanges or privately held, typically offer shareholders a stable income stream from rental income and property value appreciation. There are two types of REITs: equity REITs and mortgage REITs. Equity REITs own and manage properties, while mortgage REITs provide financing for real estate. Investing in REITs provides exposure to real estate without the hassle and costs associated with direct property ownership. Crowdfunding platforms for real estate investment allow individual investors to pool their money to collectively fund real estate projects, such as the purchase or development of a property. These platforms provide access to real estate investment opportunities that may have been previously unavailable to individual investors, such as large commercial developments. Characteristics of crowdfunding platforms are that they are open to all investors. Crowdfunding platforms allow individual investors to invest in real estate projects with as little as a few $100s. Offer the opportunity to invest in a variety of real estate projects, providing diversification in a single investment. Provide detailed information about the investment opportunity, including the property, the development team, the expected returns, and the risks involved. Typically hire professional real estate management companies to handle the day-to-day operations of the properties. Crowdfunding platforms often offer the ability to sell investment stakes to other investors, providing liquidity to the investment. Now, we'll give you a list of real estate investment companies for some countries where you can begin investing in real estate. Pause. As a disclaimer, we came up with this list based on research and as suggestions. We do not recommend any of these companies as we are not a financial or real estate institution. We highly recommend that you do your due diligence before investing with any company. Having made the disclaimer, here is the list of real estate investment companies you can check up to invest in, depending on the country where you live. Fundrise is a US-based REIT company. CrowdStreet is US-based. BrickX is Australia-based. Stockman is Australia-based. Goodman Group is Australia-based. The Crowdfunding Center is UK-based. Brickstarter is Finland-based. Realty Mogul is US-based. Groundfloor US-based. Diversifund US-based. Caprit Canada-based. RioCan Canada-based. Smart Centers Canada-based. UPDC Nigeria-based. Sky Shelter Fund Nigeria-based. Union Homes Nigeria-based. Bloomfield India-based. Mindspace is India-based. You can check up on those available to you amongst these companies and make sure to do your research thoroughly before investing. If there's no company based in your country of residence on this list, not to worry, it's easy to get that information. Google real estate investment trusts in your country. You'll get that information, and then you research the companies and make your choice. These investment platforms vary in name and title, depending on where you live, but they operate the same way. You need to research and network to know what's applicable in the country where you live. Real estate investing can be a valuable addition to a well-diversified investment portfolio, but it's important to thoroughly research and understand the investment and its risks before making a decision. You should start your real estate investment now with what you have. You're not too young or too old, and if you've watched to this point, you're not too broke to start investing. The earlier you start, the better. If you've enjoyed this video, let us know by clicking the like button. If you have any question, leave them in the comments below. We'll be glad to help out as much as we can. Subscribe to this channel now if you've not already done so, and ring the notification bell to be notified of other value-packed videos we'll upload. Thanks for watching.